Mail merge have tool which can you can combine two or more files in a single file. This process is called mail merge. For example, you want to send your birthday invitation to multiple recipients. Like you want to send your party invitation more than 50 friends. So in this situation there are two things are there. Number one, common matter which you will send it, and second one, the address, name, address, location. So two things are there. The matter which is common we can keep in one separate file, and another one which we can maintain it, which we can maintain name, address, all these things in a separate file. And in these two files we'll merge it and send all the invitation, whatever recipient we want to send it or whatever friends we want to send it, we can send. So this process is called mail merge. Or we can say in any organization one meeting is scheduled and you want to send the message through mail merge. So again in this situation the message is common and the recipient persons where we want to send it are different. Different means name is different, email ID is different, address is different, a number of things are different. So if you want to manage the overall thing through a single process, we can combine these two files in a single thing and we can send it into multiple recipients. This is called mail merge. So again I'll explain 2 or 3 times, and again I'll do for practice purpose also. So don't worry if you are not getting anything, again I'll repeat it. But first thing, you have to write every step in your copy. That is must. Now mail merge is a useful tool that allows you to produce multiple letters, label, envelope, name, tag, more using information stored in a list of database or spreadsheet. When performing a mail merge, you need a Word document. You can start with an existing one or create one. And recipient list, which is typically an MS Access file. Now, what I said, the common matter we can write it in MS Word, and whatever address recipient thing we can maintain it one file, that is automatically Word creating it in MS Access. So this is called MS Word. This is the process. Again I am telling 2 or 3 times I'll explain it, don't worry. This is mail merge bar, open existing Word document from mailing. This is start mail merge option is there. Where you go, you have to go to mailing option. Step by step mail merge wizard. The wizard have 6 steps. This is first step. In first step you have to choose letter. This is letter. The second step you have to choose the recipient list. There are 2 options for recipient list. Either you can create new file or you can create existing file. Third step, if you are using existing list, it will save it, or if you are creating new list, create that list and save it. The file which we can contact it, open it, take it all the option which title you want to take. Then insert recipient list in MS Word. Then option is there, address block, location. And at the end, this type of option will deliver it. And at the end, either you can print it or edit individual document. This is the process. Again, I am doing it with a separate file. Now everyone using copy and pen. What we are doing, mail merge. First go to mailing option. I am writing it mailing option. Go to start mail merge. Then go to click on letter. Click on letter. Then select recipient list, mailing list, arrow, select, recipient list, I will click it recipient list. Here there are two things, type new list and use existing list. Now what is the basic difference? The meaning of use existing list means list is already created of addressee, and type new list for if you are creating separate list for sending the data everywhere, you can use it new list. So I am clicking it type new list. This dialog box will appear it. Now there are n number of options are. This is an address field. So which address field you want to take it? For example, the other person's requirement is name, address, city, any other thing which you require, email ID. So 4 things I am taking it: name, address, email ID and city. So in this situation there are variety of titles are there. So we can keep this title also, and if you want to take limited field of addressee, then we can also take it limited, like customize column, delete. I am deleting it. Why I am deleting it? I am also doing all the fields, but I just want only 4 fields. That's why I have first deleted all the options, then I will take 4 fields. Add name, second field address, email ID, and fourth one city. Up to here, any doubt? Anyone?
Excuse me. Sir, after select recipients, what to do?
After select recipient, if we want to keep all the fields same, then we can enter the value. And if you want to add, if you want to keep selected fields, then you can first delete all the fields, then add it, whatever field you require. Again I'll repeat it, don't worry, I'll again repeat it. First you just understand one time, next time again I'll repeat it, this thing.
So just can you explain it once?
I'll explain again, but first you just listen. I'll explain 3 times, don't worry. Okay. Now what? We have to enter the values. Like Rajesh, address, Dhar Road, email ID, city Ujjain, new entry, Nitesh, Mahunaka, Indore. Don't go for spelling if it will not correct it. Hitesh, Gandhanagar, Indore. You can keep any n number of records, but I am just here keeping 4 records. New entry, Jitesh, please mute yourself, everyone. Then Satiwala. Indore. These 4 records I have entered it. Now just see it. This is the file which we can maintain records, and this file format is MS Access file. But don't go it which format is saving it. You just give the name. I am giving the name address list. I am giving the name of address list, and where data is saved, it will save it in data source. Address list, data source. So what we have to do, we have start mail merge, then letter, then select recipient, then type new list. एक्टिव यहाँ हो गया। Again I am creating new list. Reason behind this address list is stored in that file. So use existing list. Again if we can maintain it, use existing list. My document. Now whenever you fill all the entries, then next option is these all our options are enabled. Now there are two options. When you fill your list, either you can edit it. Now first one, we are sending the message, invitation message. So first thing, which thing we have to write it? We have to write it name, address, email ID, city. Address block, greeting lines. Subject, invitation. Now you can write it, I invite you to on my birthday party, date so and so, time whatever, so come. This is the method. Time 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Regards, and sender name is maybe ABC. भेजने वाला का नाम ABC. Now here we have not written name, address, email ID, city. I have not done anything. Just see at the top of the thing, document 1. So there are two files. The first file is document 1 and another file is address list. We can merge it into single entity and it will create all the letters. How many letters will create it? 4 letters, because we have 4 recipients. If you want to send multiple more than 50 or 100, you can input all the values and send it all the records. Now one option last is come, that is finish and merge, this option. So you click it, finish and merge. This is a document 25, 25, document 25. Another one is address list. Combine it, this list, in a single file. Finish and merge. There are 3 options showing it: edit individual document, print, and send email message. For printing email, we have to configure Outlook, so we will not go for this. For if you are maintaining in soft copy, go to edit individual document, or print. If you want to print it, you can take it directly print. So I am using it edit individual document. How many records are there? Merge to new document. That means which thing is merged? Document file, this one, and address file, this 2 file will merge it. How many records you want to merge it? All means how many records are there? 4. I'll click OK. Just see it at the top of the thing. This file and address list will merge it. Now see it, this one. This is a letter 1. This file is created. Now just see it here. First name showing it, Rajesh Dhar Road, W8, Ujjain. First, dear or sir or madam. Invitation. I invite you to on birthday party, date so and so, time this. Regards. First page. Second page, Nitesh. Even I have not written all the values. Third page. Fourth page. So 4 records are there, 4 time value will display. This is called mail merge.